Hello guys and welcome back. Alright, so we are in this web page appplayer.ai and we will create some icons, some images, for the game pack we are creating for the Unreal Engine and Unity Asset Store. Okay, so we will create images for a hidden game object kind of game. So the game developers, when they purchase your pack, they can create a hidden game object by using your graphic assets. So I am here. I will create, how can I say, this one, this 2D create assets in your style. You're going to click this. And when you are here, you will select, you will scroll down. You see you have many styles here that you can like play around. And you're going to hit the game icons. Okay, this one. And the best thing is this website gives you transparency, and which is not too bad. I mean, I tried. It's better than some of the other AI websites that provide this kind of service. So we are in game icons. So we are going to create around maybe like 40, 50 icons, and they will be in this resolution, 1024 times 1024. And 1:1 aspect ratio is going to be a square image, which is perfect for a sprite that will be used in the game. And so I will first create, let's say, a book and magic fantasy. Okay. Sometimes this transparency gives a little bit, how can I say, some errors, but we can still fix that, or you can create new ones. But still, I can promise you, this is like the best AI up to now I see that creates a nice transparency on the images. So Forge 2D, I click this one. So I'm creating a magic fantasy book. I mean, you can, of course, create more complicated prompts. So you can actually come to ChatGPT. Let me show you. You can write here, can you create an image prompt for a magic fantasy book, in text format, because sometimes this ChatGPT sometimes just directly gives you the image. Okay, so here's okay, here we go. So you can actually a mystical fantasy, blah 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 blah. You see, this is the image prompt it created. So you can actually duplicate. Okay, we have all the books in here, but now I will try this one as well. Let's see what will come out from this. I hope it won't mess this up. So this is another way you can create image prompts by using ChatGPT, which is really cool. So you can do this. These three should be okay. These two are perfect. But this one is not okay because it is like, you see ripped, So AI is still in experimental mode in many ways, but you see, whoa, it is now much better with this prompt from the ChatGPT. So you can try this one, okay? So I'm gonna get this one. This is nice. Not this one, not this one. These are like more images without transparency. So I get this. What's this about? You can check here. Okay, so I will get this. I will get this one. What's this about? This one. Okay, you know what? Why not? Or no, it won't be useful, Even though it looks charming, you should still think the buyers, okay, who will buy your product. So, they might complain about this, People are so picky most of the time I see. So I have like 4 images, which looks perfect. But still, you see, they have the transparency and everything. But still, I will check these in Photoshop, all right? So I'm going to come here. I'm going to bring this here. You see these are not good. So you will create a new layer. You can check the transparency here. Okay. So the way you actually, the best way to, how can I say, fix this, don't try to go and paint them. Instead, duplicate this, duplicate another one, duplicate another one, because you see it's still, even though it is like transparent here, it still has some data, like how can I say, some transparent image here. Okay, so all you need to do is duplicate that. I think this should be enough. So I'm gonna still, how can I say, I'm gonna take this up. All these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers, I'm gonna select them all and press Ctrl E. And now it should be okay. Okay. You're gonna delete this, oops, sorry. You're gonna delete the red one. And you're just gonna leave this. And if you click Ctrl S to save, it should definitely right on top of the original one, and it should be okay. So this one, let's check it out. Yeah, this is okay. Save it. And what's this? Now this is going to be great. Check this out. This is cool. This is nice. Okay. And this one, yeah, this is also, nah, this one is not good. I'm going to delete this one. I didn't like this. This won't work. I'm going to create another one. And actually, I will just use the old, book fantasy. Let's see, I'm going to break right like this. Fantasy magic book. A simple prompt will do better, seems. The other things seems to complicate in the when you create some icons and things. So I'm gonna click this Forge 2D and I'm gonna select one of these. So I have like a sets of 4 nice useful books for a hidden game object, guys. And let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, nice. Actually, these are really cool. Not this one, but this one I like. What's this about? What's this? Okay, this one I like. I'm gonna get this one. Okay, so that's cool. Okay, here we go. We have 4. Still, let's check it out in Photoshop. Still, let's check. You never know. You never know, because, okay, this is cool. All right, guys. So that's it. So we have 4 books here that we created in here. So I will continue and create more objects for you. So later on we can like rename them and so make them ready for uploading to Unreal Engine and Unity Asset Store. And of course, before that, we will also create the backgrounds. So, okay, see you in the next class, and I will show you the rest of the process in the next lessons, okay? Like renaming the texts and then, uploading them, whatever, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next class, and bye-bye.